No, you see, you don't have to see here. You have to see here.
Okay.
That's okay. That's okay. I don't complaining. No, no, no. Oh yeah, yeah. 第一个，这个。Okay. I want more milk and less coffee.
So,
Cappuccino 吗？
you want cappuccino, right?
对，一点点咖啡，很多很多牛奶。这个 fresh milk. Oh, you see that? Coffee grinding. Do you drink coffee?
No.
I don't drink coffee too, but today I have to do many things, so I need to coffee. I like this machine. It's not very expensive, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not very expensive.
How much? So I won't buy that.
Where's the mom? Oh, you'll just buy the coffee. You're very smart. Teacher, teach me some more tricks to be better life.
No, you don't need. You're rich.
And I'm not
You
rich.
can buy anything you want.
I am not rich. I'm a very poor man. Yeah, this is the exact. I think you put the mug incorrectly. 没有问题. That's okay. Thank you, because I don't know how to figure it out. So this button is the cappuccino one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, 谢谢. Sorry.